Massage therapy. What is thought to be the most common physical symptom of stress for most people? Headache, muscle tension, stomach upset including nausea, or dizziness? Muscle tension is the most common symptom of stress for most people. What is thought to be the fastest, easiest, and most effective way to rid muscles of tension? Massage therapy. Faster than therapy, safer than sex, easier than working out? Massage is the indulgence of choice for the stressed out. We've talked about the power of sight, mental imagery, the power of sound, music therapy. Now let's talk about the power of touch, or massage therapy. First of all, did you know that skin is the body's largest organ? It accounts for about 18% of our body weight and covers about 19 square feet. And there are as many as 5 million touch receptors in our skin, 3,000 in a single fingertip. These touch receptors send messages along the spinal cord to the brain. A simple touch, a hand on the shoulder or an arm around a waist, can reduce heart rate and lower blood pressure. Even people in a deep coma have been shown to have improved heart rates when their hands are held. Touch has actually been shown to stimulate growth in premature babies. Infants and neonatal ICUs have demonstrated failure to thrive until they were touched and held again. In addition, PET scans of severely touch-deprived infants show that critical sections of their brains were barely active, which stalls entire areas of development. We've known for a long time that monkeys have actually died from lack of touch. Human babies have died as well. Many babies who were fed and cared for in an assembly line fashion in an orphanage during World War II died inexplicably. Back in the 13th century, the German Emperor Frederick II was curious to know which language children would speak if they were praised without hearing any words at all. He took infants away from their parents and gave them to nurses who fed them but were forbidden to cuddle with or talk to them. The babies never learned a language. They all died before they could talk. Frederick's findings have been confirmed many times since then. During the early 1990s in Romania, thousands of infants were housed in orphanages. Some of them were pretty much left alone for 2 years. These infants were found to be severely impaired. Also, it's thought that infants and children who are touch deprived have both physiological and psychological problems later in life. So being touched is important. What about being massaged? Getting a professional massage is a nice indulgence that may be justifiable based on all the benefits associated with it. Just like the fact that most people know that exercise is good for them, but they don't know exactly why exercise is so good for them, and they don't know the extensive list of benefits associated with exercise. Same thing for massage. If I were to ask you, why is massage so good for you? Would you be able to come up with the following list? Physiological benefits. Here are some specific physiological benefits that have been shown to be associated with massage. Massage therapy reduces the effects of stress by actually activating the parasympathetic nervous system, which counteracts the fight or flight response. Massage activates the nerve receptor signals along nerve fibers that temporarily block chronic pain signals from reaching the brain. Massage also stimulates the release of endorphins, which act as the body's natural painkiller. As of 1997, which I know was several years ago, but it was established that over 100 hospitals nationwide used massage to reduce pain and decrease stress. It's also been shown that by stimulating circulation and lowering stress hormones, massage eases stiffness and pain in arthritic patients. Contracted muscles press on or pinch nerves, which can cause tingling, numbness, or pain. Massage therapy relaxes contracted muscles, which then relieves compression on the nerves. Massage therapy causes the body's rhythm to slow down, causing a decrease in blood pressure, heart rate, and breathing, which results in a better night's sleep. A community-based hospital in Washington started an inpatient massage therapy program in 1992. Nurses noted that the patients were sleeping through the night and requiring less pain medications. Massage therapy causes a dilation of blood capillaries of the skin, which improves circulation, which increases uptake of vital repairing nutrients and speeds the removal of toxins. Also improves circulation, which improves skin texture and relieves dryness and itching. Skeletal structure is held in place by soft tissue like muscles, tendons, and ligaments. A muscle contracted for prolonged periods of time will pull the skeletal frame out of its natural alignment. So when you're feeling stressed, you most likely have increased muscle tension throughout your body, but especially in the neck and shoulder areas for most people. A tight muscle causes poor circulation, not to mention pain, discomfort, and restricted range of motion. Massage therapy stretches and loosens tight muscles and connective tissue. It also breaks down and prevents further formation of adhesions and increases red blood cell count, thereby increasing oxygen to the cells. Compensates for exercise. Okay, don't get me wrong, it compensates in part for exercise. Getting a massage should obviously not replace exercise, but massage therapy has been shown to improve muscle tone and help prevent or delay muscular atrophy or deterioration. Massage therapy is found to be especially helpful to those who are forced to remain inactive because of an injury. Decreases blood pressure. Results of one study conducted at Bowling Green State University indicate that a 15-minute massage at work while seated in a chair resulted in a significant reduction in blood pressure. Strengthens the immune system. Massage therapy increases circulation of lymph in your lymphatic system, thereby helping your body fight off infection and speed recovery from injuries and illness. A 20-minute massage has been found to increase activity of the immune system. It's estimated that if you have a massage every week, you'll have 2/3 less illness. Psychological benefits. Below are some of the many psychological benefits of massage. Mental relaxation. When muscles are physically forced to relax, the mind follows suit. As we talked about, there is a two-way mind-body connection. When your body is relaxed, it's easier for your mind to relax. Reduces anxiety. 32 depressed adolescent mothers received 10 30-minute sessions of massage therapy or relaxation therapy, which did not include massage, over a 5-week period. Although both groups reported lower anxiety following their first and last therapy sessions, only the massage therapy group showed behavioral changes, specifically decreased anxious behavior, and stress hormone changes, specifically decreased cortisol levels. Enhances well-being. It's no surprise that massage provides a feeling of well-being. Similar to the other study, 28 adolescents with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder were provided either massage therapy or relaxation therapy for 10 consecutive school days. The massage therapy group, but not the relaxation group, rated themselves as happier, and observers rated the participants as fidgeting less following the sessions. Also, massage is being used to relieve stress at disaster sites. After the Oklahoma City bombing, volunteer therapists gave massages to exhausted rescue workers and survivors. The state medical examiner observed that the massage therapists were accomplishing more in 15 minutes than psychologists could in an hour or two. One study was done to identify patient outcomes of a therapeutic massage program in a hospital. Surveys and narrative reports were completed by hospitalized patients who received massages during their hospital stay, healthcare providers, and the massage therapist at a large university hospital. The most frequently identified outcomes were increased relaxation, increased sense of well-being, and increased positive mood change. More than 2/3 of the patients surveyed attributed their enhanced mobility, greater energy, increased participation in treatment, and faster recovery to massage therapy. Decreased hyperactivity. Massage helps control hyperactivity. Decreased temper. Massage helps calm a bad temper. Improve concentration. Massage helps to improve concentration. Enhance self-image. It's interesting that massage has been shown to actually enhance self-image. Increased creativity. Massage has been shown to promote greater creative expression. Performance benefits. Massage has been found to enhance performance of various activities. Roman gladiators. I know this doesn't apply to today, but it's interesting that Roman gladiators were massaged before entering the arena because it was thought to improve their performance. Dancers and athletes. Massage therapy is becoming basic maintenance for dancers and athletes. Alertness. A 15-minute massage was found to increase alertness and performance of employees. After massage, office workers completed a math test more quickly and with fewer errors. Many employers offer massage in the workplace, including the U.S. Department of Justice. They recognize that productivity may be increased and absenteeism decreased with massage therapy in the workplace. Because of the expense of getting a massage, you may want to solicit the help of someone else. If you have a friend, family member, or significant other who would be willing to learn some simple techniques, you can take turns and give each other a massage on a regular basis. Or you can pay only $20 or so for a 1-hour professional massage instead of $65 or whatever the going rate is. If you go to one of the Asian foot massage places, they call it a foot massage, but it's actually an all-over body massage place. It's usually a communal area, which I know sounds weird, but try trust me, it sounds more weird than it is. You don't undress like you do for a Swedish massage. Just do a Google search for foot massage in wherever you live. Giving versus receiving. In one study, volunteers over the age of 60 were given 3 weeks of massage and were then trained to massage toddlers at a preschool. Believe it or not, giving massages proved just as beneficial, possibly even more beneficial than getting them. The elderly people exhibited less depression, lower stress hormones, and less loneliness. Also, they had fewer doctor visits, drank less coffee, and made more social phone calls after giving massages. The supplemental video for this lecture is self-massage for neck pain and is just over 7 minutes. This is another supplemental video that also counts as one of your relaxation techniques. At first, you might feel kind of weird following along, but please do it. I'm very curious to know if it works for you based on your rating. Don't forget to take your 10-second pulse before and after. Key points: being touched is important. There are so many benefits to simply being touched and so many consequences of not being touched. There are several psychological, physiological, and performance benefits of getting a massage, not just on a regular and consistent basis, but even just a one-time massage. There are benefits to giving massages, not just getting them. And that's it for this lecture.